In this video, you will learn about viewing results and resolving clashes using the clash detection tool. When the clash detection job is complete, the results display in the Results tab, which automatically opens. The application view window automatically zooms in to display the first clash in the clash list. And the message center displays the total number of clashes found, and the clash detection dialog displays the name of the job and the total number of clashes detected. When selected, the application zooms in to display the clash components. You can choose them to be displayed together with surroundings and gray background, with surrounding and without the background, or to show the clashes only. You can also choose to display one or both clash elements. There are two types of collisions: hard, where components intersect or overlap, and soft, where clearance tolerances are defined. Collisions results can be also sorted in alphabetical order or grouped in subfolders. Let's select clashes of diffusers and ceiling and create a group from selection. Save the clash detection job for later review. A saved job can be updated with new results according to changes made in the model. In the design model, we can now solve clashes, for example by moving elements. Let's move diffusers to correct level so that it doesn't overlap with the ceiling. Then run the clash detection job again. The status of resolved clashes is now updated, and other clashes now appear as old. The status of a clash can also be changed by clicking the cells and selecting an option from a drop-down list, which include New, Old, Assigned, and Accepted options.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.